Looking to grow your crypto portfolio intelligently without constantly watching the markets or stressing over timing? TrueBlue is an advanced AI-powered trading platform developed specifically for Australian investors who want to build their crypto assets automatically and reliably. Designed to eliminate the complexity of manual trading, it enables users to generate consistent returns with zero prior experience. To celebrate its 2025 launch in Australia, TrueBlue is offering a limited-time welcome bonus for new users. By signing up through the official link, you can unlock additional trading credit to help boost your early profits. This special offer is only available during the early access period, and spots are filling quickly, so it's the perfect moment to get started. Click the link in the description to claim your bonus and be among the first to unlock the full potential of TrueBlue in Australia. By combining live market analysis with powerful automation, TrueBlue works 24/7 to identify and execute optimal trades on your behalf, with potential daily profits ranging from 100 to 500 Australian dollars and monthly returns for some users reaching up to 70%. The platform offers one of the most accessible and efficient ways to participate in the crypto market. There's no need for technical expertise or hands-on involvement. TrueBlue handles everything behind the scenes. What sets TrueBlue apart is its Australian-based infrastructure and full compliance with national regulations, including AUSTRAC, ATO, KYC, and AML standards. It ensures your data and funds are protected through industry-grade encryption and privacy protocols. Whether you're new to crypto or already experienced, the platform's streamlined design and intelligent algorithms make investing effortless. Thousands of users across Australia and beyond trust TrueBlue for consistent, hands-free crypto income. Recognized for its performance and ease of use, the platform is built to remove barriers and simplify crypto investing for everyone. Imagine waking up each day to a steadily growing portfolio without charts, speculation, or late-night market monitoring. TrueBlue integrates seamlessly with major crypto exchanges such as Binance and Coinbase, allowing you to connect your wallets and start automated trading in just minutes. The AI at the core of TrueBlue was developed by seasoned fintech engineers and is continually optimized to adapt to shifting market conditions, helping minimize risk while targeting high-value opportunities. Click the link in the description to claim your bonus and be among the first to unlock the full potential of TrueBlue in Australia. Support is also a priority. A dedicated Australia-based support team is available around the clock to assist with everything from onboarding to exploring more advanced features. If you're looking to build passive income through crypto with a secure, intelligent, and locally supported solution, now is the time to begin. As digital finance continues to evolve, TrueBlue positions itself as a long-term partner for Australians seeking smart, automated investment tools. Whether your goal is to diversify, earn extra income, or stay ahead in a competitive market, TrueBlue delivers a dependable, forward-thinking solution tailored to your needs. Click the link in the description to claim your bonus and be among the first to unlock the full potential of TrueBlue in Australia.